Hi friends, I am Shayanti and I'm going to show you on Big Basket Lifestyle how you can champion a beautiful hairstyle which you can sport for your Sangeet or your friend Sangeet. This is how to do it. To begin the hairstyle, you need to comb out your hair first. I would suggest always use a wooden comb because it's really good for the hair. And you need to detangle your hair before starting. So once I have detangled my hair, I'm going to use the other part of my comb to make the sections. If you have a tail comb, you can use that as well. Just make sure that the lines on both the sides are very neat before you do the mohawk braid. Actually a 4-strand braid, and while you are braiding, just take all the thinnest of strands possible and intertwine them. Once the braid is made, secure it with the rubber band. Initially, it's okay, you can always pin up the flyaways and the hair which is not kind of looking nice initially. So I'm going to make the first braid by taking this thin portion on the side. Secure the end with a rubber band. And use a clip to tie it up again. Now that the hair is set on the crown portion, you need to comb out this portion, which is the length, and if you want, you can braid it actually. I mean, I personally feel that, I have lots of layers, so it's easier if I braid it. So I'm going to braid it and make a bun out of it. Secure it with a rubber band, then just loosen it up a little and tie it into a bun. Hairstyle is made. If you want to wear it for the day, you can go like this, and if you want to jazz it up a little for the evening, all you need are a few hair accessories. So I have chosen these golden pins because they look really pretty with my outfit and they are really simple to get. All you need are these U-pins with a little bit of rose or some floral motif on them, and you can buy them from even your local store. I feel since there are so many braids on the crown portion, it is best to avoid the mount tika. Instead, you can use the same accessory as a mount tika. So now I'm going to put these rest of the U-pins on my bun. Space it out so that it looks very neat.